We're going to start with the magic circle. Then I'm going to make the granny square. So we make a chain 3 and 2 more double crochet, one and two, then chain 2, then the next one is 3 double crochet, chain 2, and to make a square we need 4 corners, so we made 2 corners. Now we are going to the next corner, the third corner, so make 3 more double crochet, 2 and 3, and then chain 2, this is the fourth one, so make 3 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then we can make a chain 2 and slip stitch here, or we can just make a double crochet to the corner. So yarn over hook, insert the hook into the third chain and bring up a loop, then yarn over, go through 2 loops at a time, then go through the next 2 loops. So we finished our granny square, the beginning of the granny square. Get some more yarn. So the next one is, in each of these corners we are going to make 3 double crochet and chain 2, and in the side we are going to make chain 1. So make a chain 3, then 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, then this corner we make chain 2, then 3 more double crochet. So one side is done, 1, 2 and 3. Then we need to cover this 3 double crochet, so we make a chain 1 to create that side, and going to the next corner. 1, we are making 3 double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet, then chain 2 and again 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Then the side is chain 1, then again to the next corner, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Then we make a chain 1, go to the next corner, and we are finishing the final 4th corner, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then we make a chain 2, 1, 2 and join with the slip stitch. And chain 1, and we are making 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. 1 single crochet in each of that 3 DCs. Then we are in the corner, so we are making 1 single crochet in this corner with the chain 2, then make a chain 3, then another single crochet. Okay, now we are here. Now this will make that point of the heart, like this point, right? So this one, so we make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 DCs. Then in the chain 1 space we make a 1 single crochet, then single crochet in each of the next 3 DC. So we reached to the chain 2 space of the corner, we make a 1 single crochet there. Then we are leaving these ones unworked, these DCs unworked. I'm going to make a 12 treble crochet. Treble crochet is we yarn over hook 2 times and then insert here in the chain 1 space, then 1 2 3 times, just like double crochet, but do it 3 times. So 2 loops on the hook, then bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then go through 2 loops again, that's the second time, then we have one more time 2 loops there, so third time. Make a 12 of these. This is the third one. I wound my yarn on the kitchen paper roll, the tube in the kitchen paper roll, because I don't have a yarn winder yet. That is one in my wish list. Okay, that is aside. We are making 12 treble crochet in the chain 1 space. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, and make a 1 single crochet in the chain 2 space, then 12 DC in the 12 treble crochet in the next chain 1 space. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, this is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then skip the next 3 double crochet and single crochet in the next chain 2 space, right? Then we are making a single crochet in each of the DC, 1 single crochet in each DC, then 1 single crochet in the chain 2 space. Then we are going to slip stitch to the first single crochet. There you see a heart there. cut the yarn, and you're done with that, right? Okay, see you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.